Hello, my name is Nick Wilson, and this is my term project for 15112 at Carnegie Mellon University. For my project, I did a game that uses the webcam. This is the main menu, which opens immediately after you load the game. There are instructions that can show you how to play, but for this short video, we're just going to hop right in. The first thing we need to do is calibrate. This is the calibration screen. Our goal when calibrating is to get two different images of our hand in different positions. Open and close tend to work pretty well. In order to get these images, we just have to click and drag with the mouse around our hand. Great, we got them both. Now we just click to exit. Now we click Match Setup, which is our last step before we start playing. Here we can change a couple different options, including our color and their element. We'll see what element means in a moment. We can also change our opponent's element and the difficulty. Now we're ready to begin. Here's the game screen. This is us, and this is our opponent. Our goal is to knock the opponent off the screen while staying on the screen ourselves. To do this, we can move our player using WASD, and we'll shoot at our opponent. We always shoot towards our target, which is this symbol right here. We can move it using the arrow keys. Now, we always click to shoot. When we click, how quickly our projectile moves towards the opponent will be determined by the shape our hand is in. Right here is the last move we made, which is useful if you think the computer isn't reading your hand right. So if we use the first shape our hand was in, our projectile will move slowly towards the opponent, but it'll have a small energy cost. You can see that's a weak move. If our hand is in the second position, it'll be a strong move, which will move more quickly and move the opponent farther. Right here is the timer, our energy, and the last move we made. This is the webcam feed, which is helpful if you think your hand is on the screen when really it's off the screen, or if your hand is in a different, if it's at a different angle than it was when you calibrated. Escape will end the match prematurely. You always lose when you quit. And then pressing any key will bring you back to the main menu. So that's it. Thank you very much for watching.